Hi, this is Rachel Israel with STEM News and Global World Report. We have breaking news that will have a huge impact on the global scene in the very near future. Let's take a look at what's going on around the world.
Earth's magnetic field is a powerful force. It protects us from harmful radiation from the sun. But this invisible shield is weakening. Scientists have noticed a decline in its strength over the past 2 centuries. This decline has raised concerns about the future of our planet. Scientists are closely monitoring this weakening. They are using satellites and ground-based observatories. The data they collect paints a worrying picture. The magnetic field is not only weakening but also changing in other ways. The magnetic North Pole, for example, is rapidly shifting towards Siberia. This weakening and shifting have led to a phenomenon known as the South Atlantic anomaly. This is a region where the magnetic field is particularly weak. The South Atlantic anomaly is growing and it's having noticeable effects. Satellites passing through this region are more vulnerable to radiation. This can disrupt their operations. To understand the implications of a weakening magnetic field, we need to understand how it works. Earth's magnetic field is generated deep within our planet. It is created by the movement of molten iron in the Earth's outer core. This molten iron acts like a giant dynamo, generating electric currents that produce the magnetic field. The magnetic field extends far out into space, forming a protective bubble around Earth called the magnetosphere. This magnetosphere acts as a shield, deflecting most of the sun's harmful radiation. Without it, life on Earth as we know it would not be possible. The magnetic field is not static. It fluctuates in strength and direction over time. These fluctuations are influenced by complex processes within Earth's core. While some fluctuations are normal, the current rate of weakening is concerning. It is happening much faster than expected. The weakening of Earth's magnetic field has potentially dire consequences for our planet and its inhabitants. One of the most immediate concerns is the impact on technology. Satellites, which rely on the magnetic field for navigation and communication, are particularly vulnerable. A weaker magnetic field could lead to disruptions in GPS systems, satellite communications, and even power grids. Furthermore, a weaker magnetic field would mean increased exposure to cosmic rays. These high-energy particles from space can damage electronics, disrupt communications, and pose health risks to astronauts and passengers on high-altitude flights. There's also the potential for increased radiation exposure on the Earth's surface, which could have long-term health effects. Beyond technology, a weakening magnetic field could have significant impacts on our climate and the delicate balance of life on Earth. Some scientists speculate that changes in the magnetic field could influence atmospheric circulation patterns, leading to shifts in weather patterns and potentially contributing to climate change. There's also concern about the impact on migratory animals, many of which rely on the magnetic field for navigation. A weaker or more erratic magnetic field could disrupt their migrations, affecting ecosystems and biodiversity. While the weakening of Earth's magnetic field is a serious concern, it's important to remember that our planet has experienced this before. Throughout its history, Earth's magnetic field has flipped multiple times, with the magnetic north and south poles swapping places. These reversals are a natural part of Earth's magnetic cycle, though the exact causes and consequences of these flips are still not fully understood. Scientists are actively studying these past reversals to gain insights into what we might expect in the future. By analyzing geological records and ancient sediments, they can piece together a history of Earth's magnetic field. This research is crucial for understanding the potential risks and developing strategies to mitigate the impacts of a weakening or flipping magnetic field. The future of our magnetic shield is uncertain. However, one thing is clear: continued research and monitoring are essential. By understanding the complexities of Earth's magnetic field, we can better prepare for the challenges that a weakening magnetic field may bring. This knowledge empowers us to develop technologies and strategies to protect our planet and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come.
Join me as I dive into the mystery of whether Earth's magnetic field is collapsing fast, and find out what that could mean for us. Earth's magnetic field is like an invisible shield that surrounds our planet, protecting us from harmful solar and cosmic radiation. Without it, life as we know it wouldn't be possible. But there's growing concern that this shield is weakening, and scientists are scrambling to understand what's happening. The magnetic field is generated by movements within Earth's outer core, which is made up of molten iron and nickel. The concerns are real. A weaker magnetic field means more radiation reaching the Earth's surface, which could have serious implications for our technology and even our health. Satellites and communication systems could be disrupted, and there's also a risk of increased radiation exposure for both people and electronic systems. This is especially worrying for astronauts who spend a lot of time in space, where they're more exposed to cosmic radiation. The Earth's magnetic field also plays a crucial role in navigation, as many animals and even some human technologies rely on it to find their way. So, what's causing the magnetic field to fluctuate? Scientists have been monitoring the field for centuries, and they've noticed that it's been weakening over the past few decades. Some studies suggest that this weakening is part of a natural cycle, while others propose that it's a sign of a more significant problem. Historical data shows that the Earth's magnetic field has reversed many times in the past, with the North Pole becoming the South Pole and vice versa. These reversals have occurred at irregular intervals, but they often happen over a period of thousands of years. Recent studies suggest that the magnetic field could collapse much faster than previously thought. If this happens, we'd see a rapid increase in radiation reaching the Earth's surface, which could have devastating effects on our ecosystems and technology. Some scientists believe that we're already seeing the early signs of a magnetic field reversal, which could have significant implications for our planet. The potential consequences of a collapsing magnetic field are far-reaching, and it's essential that we continue to monitor the situation and study the effects. In summary, the Earth's magnetic field is a vital component of our planet's ecosystem, and its potential collapse is a pressing concern. Understanding the dynamics of the magnetic field is crucial for predicting and mitigating the effects of a potential collapse. By studying the Earth's magnetic field, we can gain insights into the inner workings of our planet and the potential risks that lie ahead. So, what do you think? Are you worried about the Earth's magnetic field collapsing? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on Earth sciences, and I'll see you in the next one.
Well, that's the news for tonight. Thank you so much for continually supporting our content. If you did enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and share this with your friends and family. I'm sure they would find it interesting as well. We're very excited to continue this journey with you. We thank you all for bringing certain stories to our attention, and for continually keeping us updated with certain events around the world.